Hi, if you or anybody that you know came to Argentina, you've probably eaten or they bought you alfajores, which is like a sandwich, a cookie sandwich with dulce de leche or milk jam inside. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. You'll love this recipe. You're going to have to melt 100 grams of butter. You're going to add 75 grams of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, an egg yolk, and then the orange peel of a tangerine or an orange. And then we're going to add 165 grams of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of cornstarch, 40 grams of bitter cocoa powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to mix it well. Don't knead it, just with your hands, and once it's firm, we just put it in a container with a lid and we place it in the fridge for more or less an hour or overnight. Then we're going to take it out and we're going to roll it in between two papers. It could be parchment paper or film paper, whatever you want. Don't roll it out too thin. And then we cut circles, the size that you want. I cut these circles, 24 came out of them. So once you finish with all the dough, you're going to put it in a baking pan with just a little bit of flour. And we're going to place it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Then we're going to place it in the oven. It has to be a warm oven, not very hot, for around 10-15 minutes. Until they don't have to be golden brown, just they're going to be dull in color and they're going to be like soft in the middle. That's when they're ready. We're going to let them cool, and once they're cool, you could be from one day to another, we're going to put milk jam. This is what we call dulce de leche. And we're going to stuff them with this. It has to have a lot of it, and then we're going to cover it. And this is like a cookie sandwich. And then we're going to melt chocolate. It could be dark chocolate, white chocolate, milk chocolate. And to make it more fluid, we're going to add a little bit of oil, vegetable oil or coconut oil. And then we're just going to dip our alfajor inside the chocolate, and we're going to let it dry on parchment paper or any other surface where it doesn't stick. It could be something plastic. And there they are. They're absolutely delicious. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try this recipe. You'll absolutely love them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and you will help me so much. And please activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.